Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll explore low-carb and keto meal planning, how to create satisfying, nutrient-dense meals that support fat loss, stable energy, and mental clarity. Whether you're going full keto or just lowering your carb intake, planning is the key to success. Let's start with the basics. A low-carb diet focuses on reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with healthy fats and proteins. The keto diet takes it further by minimizing carbs to 20 to 50 grams per day, encouraging your body to enter ketosis, a state where it burns fat for fuel instead of glucose. Step 1. Understand your macros. For keto, the general guideline is about 70 to 75% of your calories from fats, 20 to 25% from protein, and 5 to 10% from carbs. For a moderate low-carb plan, you can increase carbs slightly depending on your goals and activity level. Step 2. Focus on whole, real foods. Build your meals around lean and fatty proteins like chicken, salmon, eggs, beef, and tofu, healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, and nuts, and non-starchy vegetables like spinach, zucchini, cauliflower, and broccoli. Step 3. Plan your meals ahead. Because low-carb and keto eating can limit certain foods, meal planning ensures you always have the right ingredients and balanced meals ready. Step 4. Start with breakfast. Great options include omelets with vegetables, avocado toast on low-carb bread, Greek yogurt with nuts, or chia pudding made with coconut milk. For keto, skip the toast and focus on eggs, cheese, or bulletproof coffee for sustained energy. Step 5. Lunch ideas. Salads with protein and olive oil dressing, lettuce wraps, or bunless burgers work perfectly. You can also meal prep low-carb bowls with cauliflower rice, roasted veggies, and grilled meat. Step 6. Dinners that satisfy. Think baked salmon with asparagus, zucchini noodles with pesto, or chicken stir-fry with low-carb veggies. Cooking in healthy fats like butter or olive oil adds both flavor and satiety. Step 7. Keep snacks simple. Good options include hard-boiled eggs, cheese cubes, nuts, or veggie sticks with guacamole. For keto, add fat bombs or a spoonful of nut butter for a quick energy boost. Step 8. Stay hydrated and replenish electrolytes. Low-carb diets can cause water loss, so drink plenty of water and include sodium, potassium, and magnesium-rich foods like avocados, leafy greens, and broth. Step 9. Plan your grocery list strategically. Stock up on proteins, non-starchy vegetables, and healthy fats. Keep low-carb essentials like almond flour, coconut oil, and sugar-free condiments in your pantry. Step 10. Prep your meals in advance. Batch cook proteins, chop veggies, and portion out snacks to save time and avoid temptations during busy days. Step 11. Watch hidden carbs. Sauces, dressings, and packaged foods often contain added sugars or starches. Read labels carefully and stick to whole ingredients whenever possible. Step 12. Listen to your body. The first few days of keto can cause fatigue, known as the keto flu, as your body adapts. Stay hydrated, increase electrolytes, and be patient through the transition. Step 13. Stay flexible. Not everyone thrives on strict keto, and that's okay. A moderate low-carb approach can still bring incredible benefits like reduced cravings, steady energy, and improved focus. Step 14. Monitor your progress. Track how you feel, not just the scale. Energy levels, sleep, and mental clarity are great indicators of success. Step 15. Enjoy the process. Low-carb and keto meal planning can be delicious and satisfying when you focus on variety, flavor, and nutrient balance. Here's your quick recap. Reduce carbs, focus on whole foods, plan ahead, and fuel your body with healthy fats and proteins. In the next lesson, we'll explore meal planning for energy and performance, how to eat for endurance, strength, and long-lasting vitality. Let's keep building your nutrition mastery.